Are you tired of hearing about the same old inventions over and over again? Well, get ready to be blown away because we have a list of incredible inventions you didn't even know existed. In this video, we're going to show you some of the most incredible and groundbreaking inventions that you probably never even heard of. From robots that can perform surgery to a flying car that doubles as a road vehicle, these inventions are not only innovative, but also have the potential to change our lives in ways we never thought possible. Stay tuned until the very end of the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for updates on all our videos. Number 10. Wind turbines. Wind turbines are a promising solution for generating renewable energy, and they're becoming more accessible to both professionals and amateurs alike. Inventors all over the world are creating innovative designs, like a meter-long cylinder invented by an Australian, which can easily fit on the roof of a small house. Adding solar panels can provide enough energy to power the entire house. On an industrial scale, the ridge blade has been produced, which is perfect for pitched roofs. It uses a clever focusing system to work with more powerful airflow, producing up to 9 times more energy. The creators of the ridge blade claim that it can reach full power at wind speeds of 11 meters per second and can withstand even a storm. One inventor from the United States is testing different blades to increase the power output of wind turbines. These turbines have the potential to revolutionize the appearance of a house while also providing a sustainable source of energy. With these advancements, wind turbines are a practical and cost-effective solution for generating renewable energy. Number 9. BUGO. The Chinese Design Intelligence Award has shown some impressive inventions, and among them is the innovative BUGO system. This system aims to upgrade ditches uniquely and practically by catching mosquitoes. The hexagonal elements of the system serve as compact solar panels that power a mini turbine, which sucks in the insects, and a special filter also catches unpleasant sewage odors. Not only does this system help to control the mosquito population, but it also improves the overall functionality of the ditch by reducing clogging from debris. The designers of the BUGO system have not only provided a smart and eco-friendly solution to a common problem, but have also made it visually appealing. The hexagonal design and use of solar panels create a futuristic and innovative look. This invention is not only practical, but also has the potential to make a significant impact on public health and sanitation, making it a worthy contender for the prize fund. Number 8. Mighty Fly. Mighty Fly is revolutionizing the world of same-day deliveries with its fully autonomous drone. With an impressive range of 966 kilometers and a maximum cargo capacity of 227 kilograms, this drone can travel at speeds of up to 241 kilometers per hour, making it 3 times faster than delivery by car. Measuring 4 by 5 meters and only requiring 2 parking spaces, the Mighty Fly drone takes off and lands vertically, eliminating the need for any additional modifications. The drone is designed to be user-friendly, requiring only minimal human intervention for loading and unloading products, while the drone takes care of the rest. If any issues arise, Mighty Fly's team of experts is available to provide support. Its unique capabilities offer a fresh approach to same-day delivery for businesses of all sizes. With Mighty Fly, customers can expect their packages to arrive at lightning-fast speeds, making it a game-changer in the logistics industry. Number 7. Jetuptara. A company based in the United States has come up with a novel way to reinvent airplanes by creating a bladeless engine. The United States Air Force has already shown interest in this new technology. The idea behind it is simple. Take a stream of compressed air and make it drag 15 times more. This is achieved by combining gas turbine generators and a fluidic propulsion system. The results of the tests have been impressive, with a 50% reduction in fuel consumption, a 10% increase in traction, and a 30% lighter design that allows for vertical takeoff and landing. The team behind Jetuptara has reported that the engine is suitable for aircraft with a maximum takeoff weight of up to 4.5 tons. They have also announced that they are working closely with the US military. This innovation has the potential to revolutionize the aviation industry and pave the way for more efficient and sustainable air travel. Number 6. EvoBot. Meet the EvoBot, a German innovation that could potentially replace human loaders in various industries. Developed by an institute, this robot prototype is designed with an inverted pendulum for better balance and load handling capabilities. Unlike traditional suction cups, it uses grippers to pick up loads and is compact, maneuverable, and incredibly fast with a speed of up to 10 meters per second. The smart system is capable of applying the right amount of force to lift objects. The EvoBot has a range of potential applications, including warehouses and hospitals, where it can push and pull carts and beds with ease. engineers are working to improve its functions, including the ability to transfer loads directly into human hands and perfect the rollover function. This innovative robot could potentially increase efficiency and reduce the need for human labor in physically demanding industries. Number 5. Cyberwing. The world of technology never ceases to amaze us, and Cyberwing is no exception. Inspired by popular movie themes such as Rubik's Cube, Transformers, and Cyberpunk, the Cyberwing is a multifunctional gadget that features a projector, speaker, lighting, and mini holograms. The holograms are created using water mist, and the 130mm tank can last for up to an hour. The lighting adjusts according to the sound and frequency range, creating a mesmerizing visual and audio experience. This incredible invention is perfect for anyone who wants to add some futuristic flair to their living space or office. The Cyberwing's sleek and modern design, coupled with its multiple functions, makes it a must-have gadget for enthusiasts and movie fans alike. Number 4. Energy Observer PaveGen. Imagine walking on a busy street or in a crowded shopping mall, and with each step you take, you're generating energy. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Well, it's not. Thanks to Energy Observer PaveGen, a British technology company, this idea has become a reality. The company has created a unique system of tiles that generates energy from the pressure of human footsteps. As people walk across the tiles, they flex slightly, creating a small amount of kinetic energy that is converted into electrical energy by electromagnetic generators. These tiles are eco-friendly, as they can be made from recycled materials such as car tires, and they are incredibly efficient. A single tile can produce up to 7 watts of power, and a group of 10 tiles can power street lights for up to 8 hours. With their innovative approach to sustainable energy, Energy Observer PaveGen is paving the way for a greener future. Number 3. Bicebarth Easy Tread. If you're a car owner or a mechanic, you know how important it is to maintain good tire health. That's where Bicebarth Easy Tread system comes in, making tire tread measurements quick and easy. No more fiddling with measuring tools and trying to decipher readings. Just drive over the system at a moderate speed, and all the data you need is available on the accompanying app. Not only does the app display the degree of wear on the tire, but it also provides information on the cause of the wear. Mechanics can quickly exchange data through the workshop network, making repairs more efficient and accurate. With its clear and user-friendly interface, the Bicebarth Easy Tread system gives car owners and mechanics an advantage over their competitors, ensuring safer and smoother driving overall. Number 2. Samson Sky Switchblade. Flying cars have always been a thing of the future, but it seems like the future has finally arrived with Samson Sky's Switchblade. It's a 2-seater car with wings that can fold out and transform into a high-speed airplane. It can reach a top speed of 305 km per hour in the air and 200 km per hour on the road. The Switchblade has a range of 724 kilometers and can take off and land on any smooth surface, provided it has a minimum runway length of 335 meters. The transformation from car to airplane mode and vice versa takes only 3 minutes, making it an efficient and convenient option for those who want to travel both on the road and in the air. However, it also requires the driver to have a pilot's license and a suitable place for takeoff. The Samson Sky Switchblade is a unique and exciting innovation that could change the way we travel in the future. Number 1. AutoSet. Meet the AutoSet, a revolutionary ear cleaning system that promises to change the game for ear hygiene. While it may seem strange to pour water into your ears, this innovative device is designed to remove excess earwax that can cause discomfort and hearing impairment. While currently only available to doctors, the manufacturer promises a home use model in the future. The AutoSet features special nozzles that spray water onto the walls of the ear canal and then suction it out along with the earwax. Even in complicated cases, the procedure takes just about 5 minutes, and one charge is enough for 50 sessions. While the price may seem hefty for now, at $2,753, the AutoSet offers a convenient and effective solution for ear cleaning that is worth the investment for those who prioritize their health. We hope you were inspired by the incredible inventions we shared from around the world that are shaping our future. From robots that can clean windows to flying cars that can revolutionize transportation, it's evident that innovation is on the rise. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. We value your feedback, so please leave your thoughts and comments down below. Which of these inventions amazed you the most? Do you know of any other remarkable inventions that we should highlight in our next video? Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more incredible inventions in the future.